Today, boys and girls, we're going to be solving two-step word problems in Lesson 12. We're going to use the RADW approach. Read, answer statement, draw, write. The example problems for today's lesson are directly from the problem set. The directions tell us to use the RDW process to solve word problems. So you'll notice we have a problem, and we also have a chart that goes with it. It says the table shows the cost of party favors. Each party guest receives a bag with one balloon, one lollipop, one bracelet. What's the total for 9 guests? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the total cost for one. So I'm going to draw. Each person gets a balloon, a lollipop, and a bracelet. So what I would need to do is add these up. So one party bag equals 73 cents. I want to know the cost for 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself a diagram, and I need to draw myself 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is what I want to know. I want to know the cost. So each one of these is 73 cents. $73 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. I put down the 7. I carry the 2. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 2 more is 65. So it's going to cost 657 cents, or $6.57. So the total cost is $6.57. Number 2. The Turner family uses 548 liters of water per day. The Hill family uses 3 times as much water per day. How much water does the Hill family use per week? So our answer statement: they use blank water per week. Well, the Turner family, they use 548 liters. We know the Hill family uses 3 times as much. So we want to find how much the Hill family uses. So we will take 548 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1 is 16. Now this gives me how much they use in a day. The question's asking per week. So I'm going to have to take my 1,644 liters and multiply it by 7. Because this was per day, the question's asking per week. 4 times 7 is 28. Put down the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 more is 30. Put down 0, carry the 3. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 more is 45. Put down the 5, carry the 4. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 more is 11. So they use 11,508 liters of water. Let's look at number 3. Jaden has 347 marbles. Elvis has 4 times as many marbles as Jaden. Presley has 799 fewer than Elvis. How many marbles does Presley have? So our answer statement is Presley has blank marbles. Now, when you have a problem like this, let's start out with what we know. So we're going to say we know that Jaden has 347. Elvis has 4 times more. 2, 3, 4. So each of these is 347. 347 times 4 gives us 2,500. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. 1,388. So that's what Presley has. I'm sorry, that's what Elvis has. Elvis has 1,388. Presley has 799 fewer. So we know Presley has 799 fewer. So we're going to need to take 1,388 and subtract 799. Okay, we're going to borrow to make that 18. That becomes 9. We cannot subtract 7 from 9, so we're going to borrow 10. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 7 we cannot do. We need to borrow 10. So that is 589. Presley has 589 marbles. Alright, number 4, boys and girls, they're giving us a tape diagram, and we have to write an equation that represents this tape diagram. If you notice, we have 1,167 3 times across the top. Down the bottom we have an amount, and there's a difference of 239. We could say R plus 239 equals the same as 1,167 times 3. This means that they're equal. If we take these, this is the same as R and 239. Now the last question is asking us to write a word problem to go with this tape diagram. So you're going to have to use your imaginations a little bit. We could say Madison's sandals weigh 1,167 grams. Okay, notice I have to use the numbers that are up here. She bought 3 pairs that were different colors. Because remember, I have 3 of them. all three pairs together, weighed 239 grams more than her sneakers. What is the weight of Madison's sneakers? So what I would have to do is take 1,167 and multiply it by 3 to find out the weight of all of her sandals. So all of her sandals together weigh 3,501 grams. So now I will have to subtract the 239. Because her boots weigh her sneakers weigh 239 grams less. And that's going to give us this amount. Okay, we need to borrow. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Oh, you know what, boys and girls? I didn't borrow here. I worked very quickly. We should have borrowed. This should be a 2. 3,262, because if I go through and add, I would have not gotten the correct answer, but I caught myself because I went and I forgot to borrow. So, Madison's sneakers weigh 3,262 grams. Her sneakers weigh 3,262 grams. Okay, as you can see, each one of these problems required 2 steps. So, as you do your homework, please make sure you are completing both steps. If you have questions or don't understand, please watch the video again.